And by the way, all these colorful things, they're done with highlighters. Okay, I am not very good at drawing. There's like tons of crazy artists who are doing bullet journals, and I'm not one of them. These are very simple drawings. Hi, I'm Joanna Jose Glass from the rock band Glass Spirits. Hi and welcome. I'll start off right away by letting you know that I won't be going over any philosophies or basic mechanics about the bullet journal. There's plenty of videos on the internet, and I'll leave a link up here. Instead, this video will talk about specific spreads, which are dedicated pages in the bullet journal that have an intended purpose. And by the way, all these colorful things, they're done with highlighters. Okay, I am not very good at drawing. There's like tons of crazy artists who are doing bullet journals, and I'm not one of them. These are very simple drawings. They're like the circle, for example, is not very symmetrical, but you know what? I don't care. I mean, this is a nice way to add a little splash of color in my bujo. Okay, so then affirmations are things I want to say in the morning maybe, or just maybe new ones I want to work on. So let me see here. Like, okay, so for example, when I can say I can do it, or it's going to be a great day. My mind's kind of drawing a blank right now, but so just any kind of positive saying that I want to say. All right, now compliments. Now I drew a mirror, and I'm just gonna write things about myself. Like I'm gonna say, start it off with you, just the way this higher self page was about being and becoming. I'm gonna start off every phrase like with you, like you are kind, you are helpful, whatever it is. So I'll always start these off with you. Now, I know this looks kind of weird, but this is one way I'm going to track my gratitude, where this is basically a field, and for everything I'm grateful for, I'm going to put a plant and write something I'm grateful for. So here I put, I'm grateful I survived 2020. Okay, so I'm just hopefully at the end of the year this will be all filled. This will be a whole field of things I'm grateful for. I'm going to put in the description links to the other videos of the other spreads, or you can watch the long video which has timestamps of the individual spreads. Please share this with anyone considering doing a bullet journal, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps a small channel like ours. Thank you so much. But wait, there's more. Go ahead and click on the video below to hop to the next part or to the related video. Or if you're eager to check out my band Glass Spirits' music, go to the videos here.
There'll be time